On December 11th, 2021, the heartland of America was struck by a rare disaster. Many of us are familiar with the destructive impact of a hurricane, but the swarm of tornadoes that tore a 200-mile path through 6 states in the U.S. is unlike anything residents have witnessed in decades. It's the sort of destruction that's difficult to imagine unless you see it for yourself. When you're surrounded by the sheer scope of it, a few things become clear. 1, the devastation is massive, and the impact equally traumatic. Imagine that this is your house, your store, your city. The need for supplies and support is obvious. Heavy equipment, chainsaws, food, diapers, water, gas cans, and generators. And because residents could be without heat, water, or electricity in frigid temperatures for weeks or longer, warm clothes, blankets, and propane for the winter nights ahead are essential. It's clear that this will be a difficult holiday season for thousands of good Americans. For them, the task of rebuilding is daunting, but it can be met with equally massive support. Let's show them the kind of love we would show to our own families. With your help, Cajun Navy Ground Force is spreading its wings and its reach. That includes transporting, offloading, and distributing supplies, feeding those impacted, training volunteers, cleaning debris, facilitating communication and collaboration for nonprofits working together, and shining a light on communities impacted by disasters using innovative technology like this. We can only do this with your help. Donate at cajunrelief.org/donate.